Welcome to the Teachers Knowledge YouTube channel, dear students. In the geography series, we have seen in previous lectures Earth atmospheric layers and its composition. In present lectures, we will discuss about the weather, season, and climate, and the basic main difference between the weather, season, and climate, so you can understand easily the significance of weather, season, and climate. Let's start this lecture. Weather. Weather is the atmospheric condition of a place for a short duration with respect to its one or more elements. Means weather is the atmospheric condition of a place for a very short duration. Atmospheric condition of a place for a very short duration is called the weather. Two places even a short distance apart may have different kind of weather at one and at the same time. This is the basic understanding of weather. Atmospheric conditions of a place for a very short duration is called the weather, and two places even a very short distance apart, they may have different kind of weather at one time, at the same time, or at the different time. This is the basic significance of weather. Understand? Let's some points about the weather. Temperature, pressure, wind, humidity, and precipitation interact with each other. They influence the atmospheric conditions like the direction of velocity of wind, amount of insolation, cloud cover, and the amount of precipitation. These are known as the elements of both weather and climate. We will discuss later in this topic also climate. The influence of these elements differ from place to place and time to time. It may be restricted to a small area and for a short duration of time. Okay. Very often this influence is described in the name of weather, such as sunny, hot, warm, cold, or fine. Will generally we will generally termed as it is the sunny weather, it is the very hot weather, warm weather, cold weather. So that is the point, depending upon the dominant element of weather at a place and at a point of time. So understand, this is the weather. Okay. Next, let's the difference between the weather and season. Season, what is season? Seasons are specified periods in a year which have similar weather conditions. Means season is the union of weather conditions. Different types weather united make a season. So seasons are a specified period in a year which have similar weather conditions. Season is a period of year characterized by a particular set of weather conditions resulting from the inclination of earth axis or the revolution of the earth around the sun. Understand? The same cycle of the season is repeated year after years. 4 seasons, each of 3 months duration, have been recognized in the temperate regions: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. These are the seasons. In our country, we have 3 distinct seasons: summer, winter, and monsoon. Okay. Next one. The Indian Meteorological Department has recognized 4 main seasons. IMD, Indian Meteorological Departments, are the governing and responsible body for the monsoons, seasons, weathers climates in India. These classified four main seasons. Number one, cold weather season, December to February. Hot weather seasons, March to May. Advancing monsoon season or rainy season, June to September. And retreating monsoon season, October to November. Understand? Let's proceed. The rays of the sun are the more or less direct on the equator throughout the year. Hence, equatorial regions experience the same temperature all around the year. Therefore, the seasons are insignificant or near the equator. Okay? Because the equator sun rays are more or less direct on throughout the year, so the seasons are insignificant on or near the equator. But near the coastal areas, the oceanic influences reduces the seasonal variations. And in the polar regions, they are only two seasons. There are only two seasons, long winter and short summer. This is the basic difference of seasons at equator and at coastal areas and at polar regions. In equator, there is seasons are insignificant. In coastal areas, due to the oceanic influence, reduces the seasonal variations, and in the polar regions, there are only two seasons, long winter and short summer. This is the pictorial diagram of seasons. This is the summer in the northern hemisphere, winter in southern hemisphere, half. When summer in northern hemisphere, then automatic winter in southern hemisphere. Then opposite of it. When here is winter, then there is summer. This is the pictorial diagram of different seasons in half southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere, opposite to them. Okay. So you understand about the weather, then differentiate it with season. Let's differentiate with climate and understand the climate. The average weather conditions prevalent from one season to the another in the course of a year over a large area is known as the climate of that area. Means, let's basic difference. Weather is a atmospheric condition over a short period of time at a particular area. Season, same weather conditions observed throughout the year clubbed together called as season of that area. Climate, the average weather conditions prevalent from one season to another season in the course of year, approximate about the 35 years of large area known as the climate. Means climate weather is a subset of season and season is a subset of climate. Means climate is a broader term and then season is little less and weather is a more less. Understand? The average of these weather conditions is calculated from the data collected for several years, about 35 years. For many forecasting purposes, the data collected for about 35 years. Average annual data. For example, Rajasthan experiences hot and arid climate. Kerala has tropical rainy climate. Greenland has cold desert climate. And climate of Central Asia is temperate continental. So, climate of a region is considered more or less permanent. So, dear students, that's about the weather, season and climate of a particular area. So, you can easily differentiate weather, season and climate by reading this lecture. So, If you having any doubt, please comment to me, then I will resolve your doubt. So please share and like this channel and share to your friends and subscribe this channel. Okay, meet you in next video of geography series. Thank you very much.